Hello to all motorcycle enthusiasts. I'm here today as your expert in motorcycle mechanics to tell you about the numerous benefits you'll receive when you enroll in the Racext motorcycle mechanics course. I understand that many of you are eager to take care of your motorcycle independently and safely, and our course is designed to make that possible. So, let's take a look at what you can expect. The first significant advantage of this course is the opportunity to gain a deep understanding of your motorcycle. You will learn how the engine works, the fuel system, the lubrication system, the gearbox, the clutch, the suspension, and much more. This knowledge will make you confident and competent when it comes to taking care of your motorcycle. An obvious benefit of learning how to perform maintenance and repairs yourself is the cost savings. You will no longer have to spend exorbitant amounts at a workshop for issues that you can easily fix on your own. You will learn to identify and resolve common problems, saving you money and valuable time. Safety is crucial when it comes to riding a motorcycle. Our motorcycle mechanics course will teach you how to keep your motorcycle in optimal condition, contributing to a safer ride. You will learn to inspect brakes, tires, and other safety-critical components, minimizing the risk of accidents. Another advantage of our course is the flexibility it offers. You can follow the lessons at your convenience, in your free time, without the need for strict schedules. This allows you to tailor your learning to your daily routine. In addition, by enrolling in the motorcycle mechanics course on Racext, you'll have access to high-quality resources, including detailed video tutorials, scripts, step-by-step guides, and online support. You have everything you need to learn effectively. Don't miss the opportunity to take care of your motorcycle independently. Sign up for our motorcycle mechanics course on Racext and begin your journey to mastery on two wheels. Your motorcycle deserves the best, and with our assistance, you can provide just that. Thank you for following us, and enroll through the link below.